Very nice. Yep, just go to your knee and then relax. Very nice. Very nice. Great. Very nice. All right. Then your 9-step back up. Very nice. Lovely. All right. And now you're going to think about your figure eights. One figure eight, do it with direct rein only, and the other figure eight, do it with indirect rein only. And when you squeeze to go, you're squeezing them like toothpaste. Yep, and look out. Very nice. And then switch over to indirect rein. Very nice. Squeeze. Squeeze. Very good. Great. All right, and then take them over and get your carrot stick and get ready for sideways. And so first, friendly game, rub him all over, make sure he's cool with it, and rub him all over with the stick. Very nice. All right, and then get all of your reins in position. Make your California roll. Now you want to go sideways in front of the barrels, or behind the barrels. So you're just going to move his forehand that way. Beautiful! Alright, and then rub him to a stop. Rub him to a stop. Put everything down, relax. And then switch hands. There you go. Just hang in there. Wow! And then rub him to a stop. Very nice. That was great, right? Oh, keep your stick, because you're going to go carrot stick ride on the fence. Alright, so off you go, and you're just going to have to imagine the arena. Alright, and when your carrot stick is in neutral, it's just resting on your shoulder. And then use your stick to direct him. So use your stick there. Use your stick. Say, hey, nose. Very nice. Yep. Yep, so just let your reins be in neutral while your stick directs. And then put your stick back on top of your shoulder when you're done, so you're not riding him with it. There you go. Right? Very nice. And then ask him for a downward transition. Downward transition. Ooh. And then walk off. Good boy. So get your California roll straightened out. Larry plays violin. And you can do your posting trot. That's totally fine. If you want to do a posting trot, that's fine. It's where you're rising. Yeah. When you do that, that's okay. All right. Nope. You're fine. Go ahead and get your stick on the same side and do your dismount. Very nice. Okay, wave to the camera.